All right. Identifying where exactly the electrical is. So this island we shortened, and let's see here. The island closest to the range is 89 inches, and the other is 113 and a quarter. But if we keep them in the same plane, that puts this corner roughly, within an inch or two. Come on. 83 and a quarter away from the window wall. And then from the range wall is 82 and 7/8 or 83 inches. So the exact middle of that would be 106 and 3/4 from the range wall, and 120, say 128 for the other island to the center, 209 from the range wall, and the center would be the same, 128.